Simba TV.
Imagine the moon is like your favorite playground, but it's super far away, like if your playground was in another town. The first time people went there was in 1959. It took a spaceship called Luna 1 a whole day and a half to just fly past it. Imagine being on a super long road trip that never seems to end. Then, in 1969, some astronauts from the USA wanted to visit the moon, too. They hopped in a spaceship called Apollo 11. It took them 3 days, almost like going on a mini vacation, to get close to the moon. They even had to bring snacks and games to keep busy during the trip. But guess what? In 2006, NASA sent another spaceship, New Horizons, to Pluto, which is way farther than the moon. And you know what's cool? It only took New Horizons 8 hours to zoom past the moon on its way to Pluto. That's like taking a super-duper fast ride on a rocket ship.